Okay, so today basically we'll be discussing about pop and pop item methods in dictionary. Okay, so you have a student dictionary in Python, but how do you remove data from it? Okay, let's quickly understand the pop method and pop item method. Here is our student dictionary. Here you can see the dictionary is having 4 elements. The keys are name, age, course, and marks. And the values are Rahul, 20, Python, and 85. Now let's say I don't need the student's age anymore. What I can do? I can simply use pop method and tell Python which key I want to remove. So my statement will look like this: student.pop, and inside the pop method I'll be providing the key which I want to remove. So here, because we want to remove the key age, so I have given that key inside the pop method, and that's it. Now here you can see the output. My dictionary, the student dictionary without the age key and its related value. So basically pop method means remove this specific key. Now let us talk about pop item method. Now what if I want to remove the last item instead? That's where pop item comes in. So here my statement will look like this: student dot pop item. Now if I execute this, you can see the output here. Since marks is the last item, Python removes marks along with its value 85. So remember, it is like this. So pop method I'll be choosing if I know what value I need to remove. I need to pass the related key there. But pop item, if I use that method, it will basically remove the last item from your dictionary. And here I no need to pass any key. Easy, right? So follow me for more simple Python concepts. See you in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.